Good morning, learners. In this video lecture, we introduce the notion of separable polynomials and separable extensions, and then we illustrated by some examples of separable and non-separable polynomials. And in last, we try to discuss this result. If K is a subset of F is a subset of L, and L is a separable extension of K, then L will be separable extension of F and F will be separable extension of K. So before going to this result, first we introduce the notion of separable and non-separable polynomials and then separable and non-separable extensions. So first we recall that as we know that everyone knows that if fx is a polynomial over field k, then alpha will be a root of fx if alpha satisfies fx is equal to 0. That is, f of alpha is equal to 0. Okay. So suppose that k is a field and fx be any polynomial over field k, then a root alpha of fx is, is said to have multiplicity m if x minus alpha power m divides fx, but x minus alpha whole power m plus 1 does not divide fx. For example, if you consider the polynomial x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 over the field of rational number q, then we observe that 1 is a root, 1 and 2 both are roots of this polynomial. But we observe that x minus 1 whole square divides this polynomial, but x minus 1 whole power 3 does not divide this polynomial. It means x is equal to 1 is a root of this polynomial with multiplicity 2. Okay. So such roots which has a multiplicity m greater than 1 are called repeated roots of polynomial. We now come to the definition of separable polynomial. So before we now define separable polynomial, suppose that K is a field, then an irreducible polynomial Px is called separable polynomial over K if it has no repeated roots in any splitting field. Okay, it means if an irreducible polynomial has no repeated roots, then we call it as a separable polynomial. For example, x square plus 1 has two roots. One is plus I, another is minus I. One may easily observe that x square plus 1 is irreducible, and since it has no repeated roots, therefore it will be separable polynomial over field of rational number. Okay. So after defining separable polynomial for irreducible polynomial, we now give the general definition. We now give the definition of a separable polynomial. A polynomial fx is called separable. A polynomial fx is called separable if its all irreducible factors are separable. So just observe that if we consider x minus 2 whole square into x square plus 3, then we observe that its irreducible factors are x minus we consider the polynomial. Okay, now here observe that suppose that we consider a polynomial x square plus 3 into x minus 1 whole square. X minus 1 whole square. Then we observe that this. If you consider this polynomial, we observe that its irreducible factors are x minus 1 and x square plus 3. Now, if we observe its irreducible factor x minus 1, then we observe that x minus 1 has no repeated roots. Next, x square plus 3, this is irreducible over field of rational number. Also, it has no repeated roots. It means since irreducible factor of this polynomial are x minus 1 and x square plus 3 and both are separable, therefore this polynomial is a separable polynomial. Okay, now algebraic element alpha of an extension field L of K is called separable if its minimal polynomial is separable. So, if minimal polynomial of algebraic element are separable, then that algebraic element is called separable element. And so it enforces us to define separable extension. Algebraic extension of K is called separable if its all elements are separable. Means all means minimal polynomial for all algebraic elements are separable. And if an extension L of K is not separable, then we call it inseparable. So we now illustrate separable and non-separable polynomials with these examples. Observe that here x square minus 2. Observe that it is irreducible over field of rational number because root 2 is not a rational number. And observe that plus root 2 and minus root 2 both are roots of this polynomial. It means this polynomial is irreducible and it has no repeated roots, means it has distinct roots. So this irreducible polynomial will be separable over Q. Next, consider this polynomial. Observe that its irreducible factor is x minus 1 and x minus 1 is has no repeated roots because it is linear. So this polynomial is separable. Similarly, you may observe that this polynomial is irreducible and it has distinct roots because if alpha is a root of this polynomial, means if alpha square plus alpha plus 1 is equal to 0, then if we put x is equal to alpha plus 1, then it will become also 0. It means for any root alpha of this, alpha plus 1 is also a root of this. This asserts that all the roots are distinct. Means it has no repeated roots. So this is irreducible and has no repeated roots, and hence this polynomial is separable. Now this polynomial suggests us observe that we have observed this polynomial several times. Here we observe that this polynomial is irreducible. It is an irreducible polynomial for algebraic element x power 1 by p. Okay. Now characteristic of this field is p. Therefore, n into x is equal to 0 for every n which is multiple of p. So if we use the expansion of x minus small x power 1 upon p whole power p and expanding it by binomial theorem and replacing each term which is multiple p by a 0, then we observe that this will become this. So here what have we observed? We have observed that this polynomial is irreducible, but it has repeated roots. It has all the p roots are x power 1 by p. Means this multiplicity of this root is p. So this is irreducible, but it has repeated roots. Therefore, this polynomial will not be separable. Similarly, you can observe this. So I leave it as an exercise for you. Okay. Now in this video lecture we finalize this video lecture by proving this theory proposition. Suppose that L is a separable extension of K and F be an intermediary field. Means this is a tower of field. Now, if L is separable over K, then L will be separable over F and F will be separable over K. So, first we wish to prove that F is separable over K, and then we try to prove it. Try to prove that L is separable over F. So now suppose that we wish to prove that F is separable over K. So to prove that F is separable over K, it is sufficient to prove that every element of F is separable over K. Okay, this is the definition of separable extension. So for this purpose, we assume that A belongs to F. But observe that F is a subset of L. F is a subset of L. So this A belongs to L. Now L is a separable extension here. L is a separable extension of K. This is given. It means this A will be separable. Okay, over K. It means we have observed that every A in F is separable over K. So by definition of separable extension, since every element of F is separable over K, therefore F is separable over K. Okay. Now we wish to prove that L is separable over F. So we consider an arbitrary element A belongs to L. Let Gx be a minimal polynomial of A over field F and Px be a minimal polynomial of A over field K. Now, as we have observed that since F is an extension of field K, therefore minimal polynomial of A over F divides the minimal polynomial of A over K. Okay, this is the result. You may observe these results in the section of minimal polynomial of an algebraic element. So minimal polynomial Gx divides Px. Now all the roots of, since L is separable over K, therefore this polynomial is all the roots of Px are distinct, and so all the roots of Gx are distinct. It means this polynomial is irreducible. This suggests us to say that A is separable over F. That is, L is separable over F. So we have proved it. Thank you. We will meet in next video lecture.